Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the quick tips for Excel beginners in under 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. Here are some quick tips for Excel beginners that can help you get started in under 3 minutes. Now, what you're going to do first is open Excel. Now, first is the auto sum. Use auto sum feature to quickly add up column or row of numbers. Simply click on empty cell beside or below the numbers you want to sum. Then click on auto sum button. It is found like here. It's a Greek letter sigma. And then just press enter. So this will be automatically auto sum. You can also format cells by right-clicking on them and select Format Cells. Here, you can change the number, alignment, font, and other settings to make your spreadsheets look more professional. You can also use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your work, like, for example, Ctrl-C to copy, then Ctrl-V to paste, Ctrl-Z to undo, and Ctrl-S to save your work. Freeze panes to keep headings visible as you scroll through a large spreadsheet. For example, this one. Simply select the cell below or the right of the headings you want to freeze. Then go to View tab and select on Freeze Frames. So you can see that the company name, monthly budget is already freeze. Use conditional formatting to highlight cells that meet certain criteria. For example, you could use conditional formatting to highlight cells that contain a certain value or above, or below certain thresholds, or within the certain date range. So, by using these quick tips, you can start using Excel more efficiently and effectively, even if you're a beginner. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!